scissors and the screw glue and pencil. Now let's start. My mom is going to help. Let's get started.
Okay, so what we gonna do first, Ara? Already we prepared cat face.
Yeah, cat face. Look.
Yeah. So what are, how many eyes does the cat have? Two. Okay, and the nose?
Nose is circle.
Circle?
Yeah.
Is it circle?
Yes.
Okay. 2 ears?
2 ears.
Okay.
It's triangle.
Triangle shape?
Yeah.
Is your ears triangle shape?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Okay, so this is the face of the cat.
Cat.
Okay. So for body, what all we need? We need to draw lines like this.
Like this.
Show to them. Show to them how the line.
See? You can see this?
Yeah. I think they can see now. So now I'm gonna cut this legs. For that we need scissors.
Scissors.
Okay, so we will cut it.
Cut it.
So you wanna cut?
Yeah.
Sure. Are you sure you can cut it, or you want my help?
You have.
So I will show them how to.
So we already cut.
Yeah.
My mom cut it for me.
Okay. So we need to cut like this, right?
Yeah.
Show them how to cut. Okay. So like this,
Like this.
we need to
We
cut.
need to cut.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the tail of cat.
Cat.
Okay, now what we gonna do? We gonna fix
Fix
cat
cat
face.
face.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So Ara's cat is.
Done.
Is this your cat?
Yes. Now we need to draw.
You need to draw.
Yeah.
What do you want to draw?
I'm going to spotty face.
Here you want to draw the nails,
See, like
like
I'm going to do this. See?
like this. Like
Yes.
this?
Yes. Yes. See you next video.
Bye.
Bye.